Hi everyone, and for today, share ko sa inyo yung verse na aking nabasa na nakasulat sa Psalm chapter 118 verse 24. It is written, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." One of the hardest thing to do is to rejoice in His name, lalo na kung durog na durog ka. Pero mga kapatid, this verse really explained about being grateful even in storm. Talas naririnig pa namin from other people na baliw na yan, puro Lord, Lord, hirap na nga. Ayun na nga yan mga kapatid, ang ibig sabihin na magalak ka kahit na napakarami mo pang pagsubok na kinakaharap. Bakit? Dahil alam niya ang nangyayari sa'yo. Magalak ka kasi kahit na sukong-suko ka na, never kang sinukuan ng Panginoon because He is in control. Alam niya rin that you are so grateful even in your low times. Kaya pag ganun yung sitwasyon, lagi kayong maniniwala na the rescue is always available. Hindi ka niya pababayaan. You will be carried by an everlasting arm and you will soar high like an eagle. Kaya mga kapatid, be grateful always. He created you with a sure purpose.